Wenzani? Yeah, man.
Shooting the content for people. Oh, they like to call me the king of creator. Mr. YouTube. Mr. YouTube. Yeah, Mr. YouTube. The young creator, I do this shit. When it's up to my chance, the boys cooking. Numbers goes like chin. Belang ifuna umbale no task. Belang umdilo ongalo cooking. She's a plan just like my numbers go high on the high, go in the highway. I'm driving my cream car on the car game. Lord, belang ifuna le mali top. I this like shit.
Some droppings, bang after bang. And you know, but fit you must check every week with the demand dropping, and I'm dropping.
What's up YouTube, it's your boy TS I'm back and again bafethu with another vlog. Angibona la vele bengisachinja imali bafethu ngifuna ama coins ngifethu. Ngifethu ngiyazibuza ukuthi kungenzakalani sikhathi kujayiviwa lapha. Hawa indaba zayizolo lezi. Bona namhlanje vele bokuyisunday ngithi ngijike ngapha church before kuba late ngithola. Izolo kwenzekile ngakhohlwa nokushaya vlog bafethu. Yabonile ama-clips bakayi-3 skis bafethu man. Mara nginiphethe bafethu ngawari. Abona la vele besajika la emchurch nangiyangena bafethu ngithola. Ngalesikhathi ngize ngalo moya lo bafethu. Umoya omuhle bafethu ngithola. Bafethu please subscribe ngakhohlwa nani bafethu. Ngingakhohlwa nginibambile bafethu ngakhohlwa. Yabona la vele besangena bafethu ngithola. Sengimi into yamfethu ngiyavula isicaba njenge-president besehlezi emuva bafethu. Vele abona la vele besesengena ngapha emchurch mfethu ngithola siyithebile yabona clips asambe danko amadanko phezulu. Bosengimi lo vele ngaphakathi bafethu nana-ke. Bosengimi ngaphakathi ngikhuliwa waya bafethu ngilalele ukuthi bathini. Lapha nginomshana lo vele bona mfethu sesihleli la vele esontweni bafethu basitshela indaba enkulu ngithola muthi. Fast isonto vele besiliphumile nawe uyabona vele siyaphuma bafethu. Bafethu please subscribe bafethu ninize ngapho le event angidlalele yona.
Yo, what's up? BD Roots here. So guys, I just want to let you know, I just want to fill you in about the live broadcast, BLPS live broadcast in 2025. So this is what's going to be happening, guys. As you know, if you've been there, as I'm going to be showing you guys highlights of the event. So if you've been there, you know that we've been having dope performances. We've also been having DJ sets, crazy DJ sets, and also we've been having like a dope environment all together. So guys, I just want to invite you to the live broadcast in 2025. By the way, tickets are available, but let me fill you in though.
Bafethu nibhaye ithikithi bafethu alichiphile, very cheap bafethu. Zabe kumnandi bafethu, zabe kugida mfethu ngishayele ngidume ngazi. If ufuna ithikithi ungacheka lapha inamba yami ku-bio and mina ngizokukhombisa ukuthi ungalithola kanjani ithikithi. Don't worry bafethu. Fast vele besingilive for bafethu. Yabona vele same Mhluzi Mall bafethu. Abasijika la Mhluzi Mall fast angithola. Phela kudala ngihambile bafethu ema-clips bengimane ngashuta lapho jikijiki yabona bengisagokwami ngapha emathayileni fast bafethu and Herald Quick jikijiki sengiyahamba umuntu bakaphithizela ngale Sunday le jikijiki sengiyahamba vele salapha eSpa bafethu ngithola sikhombe khona eSpa bafethu nazi bafethu sitholana khona lapha nge-31 ingase eRichiane Wall bafethu ngapha eMhluzi yabona zabe uzikhipha bafethu. Don't worry bafethu ngiphethe mina ngapha nginalentwana yami le ngithola ngithi tell people to subscribe yamazi Yabona, that's why bafethu ngashuthi kakhulu when like nginabobhuti wami and stuff and so on. But kunjalo content ala available sakhuphuka ngithola muthi ngena khona sisho phakathi bafethu akena muthi
Now, to invest in